Friends, welcome to my channel Maths Guru Ojha. We know that on 12th November, National Achievement Survey will be conducted in different schools, where a field investigator and an observer will conduct this examination in the field level. Now, while conducting this exam, different type of questionnaires and one very important note, that is field note, have to be filled by the observer as well as the field investigator. Now, what are the documents we need to fill in that field observer notes or in field investigator notes? Let's know in this video. So the first thing which we have to write is the name of the school. We can write in capital letter so that it will be illegible. Then UDIS code of the school and the survey grade, that means in which class we are conducting the survey, either in class 3, 5, 8 or 10. There we have given the tick mark only. So these are the basic information which a field investigator has to fill up. Then there will be some yes and no type of response we have to fill up as a field investigator. So let's see the questions. Now, administrative observations. Was the school aware of the survey? That means the school authority already knows or not about this survey. The team will arrive. Was the observer present on the day? Did HM provided the student attendance register? This is very important, as because when the field investigator will reach the school, the first duty of the investigator is to take the school attendance register of grade in which the survey will be conducted, to know the name of the student, to get the actual roll number and to get the number of students who are present on the day. Now, was a suitable room was available for NAS? As we know that the room must be ventilated, light facility have to be there. So there we have to give yes or no according to the field observation. Where the arrangements and provision made for CWSN, this is very important. There will be some special child. So for them, a special arrangement have to be made to take their examination. So that we have to see, or we have to fill up this note. Where COVID norms followed, as we know that wearing masks, then sanitization and all distance facilities or social distance maintenance, all that will be followed on the day of survey. So we have to see that these were norms, COVID norms, which were followed or not on the day. Did the HM staff extended support? While conducting NAS, we need the support of the school administration. So we have to see that we got the support or not. Was it a single section in the sample grade? That means we know that we have to do the sampling. If it is a single grade school, that means only single section is there, then and number of students is less than 30 or equal to 30, then no need to do any cheat and draw. So that we have to fill up, that is the school have only single section or multiple sections were there. If multiple sections will be there, then cheat and draw method will be implemented, which we know only. So this type of information we have to fill up here. I followed the instructions on the control sheet. As we know that the student's name, people's questionnaire, your achievement test, booklet number, all that will be filled up on control sheet, and the instruction will be given in the back side of the control sheet. So we have to write that while doing the sampling, we have followed that instructions or not. We have to give either yes or no. So it must be yes actually, and if cheat and draw will be done, then that will be also yes. If the number of students is more than 30 or multiple sections were there, then we have to do the cheat and draw. So that is the questions we have to fill up. Then survey related observation. Did the survey take place in the fair manner? It must be yes. Was there any interruption from the school teachers? There should be no. The distribution of the AT and PQ, AT means achievement test and PQ means people questionnaire, took place as per the control sheet, because we will write the number there. So it should be yes. The students were explained the PQ items. As we know that PQ items we have to explain as a field investigator to the students so that they can give the correct response. So that was done or not? It should be yes. All the materials were packed and handed over to the observer. As we know that after completing the survey, we have to pack the OMR, used OMR, unused OMR, and all the materials we have to submit to the observer. So this should be yes. Did you notice any difficulty? If it is yes, you have to write yes. If it is no, then you have to write no. So this is the way we can fill the field investigator field note. Now we can see that the field note for the observer will be also same. There the observer also has to write the name of the school, UDICE code, survey grade, and then the same type of question: was the school aware of the survey team will arrive, and that what the questions were present in the of your field investigator note. The same questions are there in the observer note also. So we have to be very careful, because while filling this, in case of field investigator and in case of observer, the note must be almost same, because if it is written was it a single section in the sample grade, if field observer has written no, and if suppose observer has written yes, then this will create a confusion. So it must be same. So I hope these two will be very simple to fill. If you like this video, kindly share to and if till now you have not subscribed my channel, kindly subscribe it and press the bell icon, so that new information you can get easily when I will upload. So once again, thanks for watching and supporting my channel. I hope this continuous support I will get from all of you. Once again, thanks a lot.